Hi, welcome to teckwrapcraft channel. My name is Glory from Lily's Design, and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make some cute Valentine sticker sheets using vinyl sticker paper from teckwrap. Before we start, I'm going to tell you some things about this product. This is the beginner pack for printable sticker. It comes with 30 pieces of mixed styles, so you have the opportunity to try them all like hollow, glossy, laminate of different styles, and more. The size of this sticker paper is A4, as you can see here, and this material is durable, has a strong adhesion, and is long-lasting. It comes with this paper that tells you all the styles that you are going to find on this pack, and I'm going to show you what else it says. Let's take it out. Okay. So you have here like little instructions of how you can use them. Here are the settings for the machines. Here is the setting if you are laminating. And it has the care instructions so it makes your projects long lasting. For this project, I'm going to be using the matte vinyl sticker paper and the sparkle laminate. I'm going to show you how they look like. This is the sticker matte paper, and over here is the sparkle laminate. Look at that. I really love this sparkle laminate. So we're going to be using both of them to make our Valentine sticker sheets. I'm going to make this project on Silhouette Studio. I'm going to make sure that my page is on the right size, and I'm going to turn on the registration marks and the inset all the way down so I have more space on my page. The next step is to add all the designs that I'm going to use for these sticker sheets. I'm going to use these cute capybara Valentine's designs, and I'm going to add all of them to my project. Once I do all of that, I'm going to resize them at 1 inch. I will separate all the designs so we can see each one of them. I'm going to add a rectangle with round corners with the height size of 6.1 and the width 4.8. Then I will add another rectangle on the top of it so I make a separation and I can write a text. I will go to the color fill option, choose the color drop, and choose the color of the heart. So my rectangle has that colors and combine with my stickers. Now I'm going to write Happy Valentine's Day to add it on top of my sticker sheet. Now I will change the font to something more lovely, and I choose this one that is called About Love. It looks beautiful, and this is going to give a pop to our design. I decided to choose a white color for the text. Now, let's resize it so it fits the red rectangle. Now, we're going to arrange all of the designs inside of our sheet. Here's the time to check if the size that you choose on the first step for the designs work for this sheet. If the design doesn't fit the sheet, you can resize it at the size that you want so it fits inside. Once you finish, you're going to add an offset to all the designs that you want the machine to cut. I will make 2 sticker sheets of one paper, so I'm going to organize them and make them fit inside the A4 size. This step is really important if you want your prints to look good quality and have vibrant colors. You have to choose the type of paper that you're using and the print quality. This time I'm going to choose matte photo paper and the quality high. Here I have my vinyl sticker paper ready with the designs. Look how beautiful those colors turn out. The quality looks amazing. And I will do a trick with the laminating sheet. I like to do this because I want the machine to read all the registration marks without any problem. So I like to put the laminate on top of the sticker paper, and then with a pen I will mark where the registration marks are, and I will cut that section so the laminate doesn't get on top of the registration mark. So let's do that. Okay, now that it's ready, I'm going to paste it to the sticker paper. Slowly. You need to have patience to do this because we don't want the design be ruined by the air bubbles. We'll check that is here. Then I will paste one part first, and then I will go with my tag wrap squeegee and do this. I will grab the backing paper here and I will do this. Slowly. You can see what I'm doing here. There you go. Now we go again. So we make sure that there is no bubbles. And this is how it looks like. Now I'm going to put it on the machine and cut it. Before I send my stickers to the cutting machine, I want to choose the ones that are going to stay on the page and do a kiss cut. Here you can see the settings that I have on my Silhouette Studio for doing a kiss cut on laminated sheets. Remember that these settings may or may not work with other materials. Once I check that everything is alright with my design and I have the cutting mat ready on my machine, then I go to send. Once the cutting machine finished with the kiss cut, I'm going to choose the rectangle on the program that is going to be my sticker sheet, and then I'm going to cut it. Here you can see the settings that I use on Silhouette Studio to cut laminated sticker sheets. Once it's done cutting, we separate the sticker sheets from our cutting mat and we can see our results. See. And here's how it turns out. I will show you one of the stickers over here. Look how beautiful. So let me know what do you think about this project that we made today on the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one. Bye!